Running for just 20 minutes every day is one of the simplest and most effective habits you can build for your body and mind. It does not require a gym, expensive equipment, or complex planning. Just a pair of shoes and the willingness to move. Yet this small daily action can create massive long-term change. Running activates the entire body. The legs push forward, the arms swing for balance, the core stays engaged, and the heart works harder to supply oxygen. This full body involvement makes running one of the most efficient exercises for overall fitness. In just 20 minutes, the body enters a powerful state of activity. One of the biggest benefits of daily running is improved heart health. Running increases heart rate and strengthens the cardiovascular system. Over time, the heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood. This reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. 20 minutes of running every day is highly effective for fat loss. Running burns calories quickly and increases metabolism. Consistent daily running helps the body use stored fat for energy. This leads to gradual and sustainable weight loss without extreme dieting. Running also improves stamina and endurance. At first, 20 minutes may feel challenging, but with consistency, breathing becomes easier and fatigue reduces. This increased endurance improves daily energy levels and makes physical activity feel less exhausting. Daily running strengthens the legs. The quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes work continuously. Strong legs improve balance, stability, and overall movement efficiency. Everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, and standing for long periods become easier. Running also strengthens bones. Weight-bearing movement stimulates bone density and helps prevent bone loss. This is especially important for long-term joint and skeletal health. Running improves mental health in powerful ways. Physical movement releases endorphins, which improve mood and reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Running helps clear the mind and release mental tension built up from daily life. Running every day improves sleep quality. Physical exertion helps regulate the sleep cycle. Runners often experience deeper and more restful sleep, which improves recovery, focus, and mood. 20 minutes of running also improves lung capacity. Controlled breathing during running strengthens respiratory muscles. Over time, oxygen efficiency improves, making breathing easier even during rest. Running helps improve posture. Strong legs, hips, and core support proper alignment. This reduces lower back pain and stiffness caused by long hours of sitting. Daily running improves circulation. Better blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, supporting recovery and overall health. Running builds discipline and consistency. Showing up every day, even for 20 minutes, strengthens self-control and commitment. This discipline often transfers into other areas of life, such as work, study, and personal goals. Running is a powerful stress management tool. The repetitive rhythm of footsteps combined with breathing creates a calming effect. Many people use running as a form of moving meditation. 20 minutes of running every day is time efficient. It fits easily into busy schedules, making consistency realistic. Small daily workouts often produce better results than irregular long sessions. Running improves confidence. As stamina increases and the body becomes stronger, self-belief grows. Feeling physically capable improves mental strength. Running supports immune system health. Regular, moderate exercise strengthens immune response and helps the body fight illness. Running also improves coordination and balance. Continuous movement trains the nervous system to control motion more efficiently. Daily running increases energy levels. As fitness improves, the body becomes more efficient at using oxygen and nutrients, resulting in sustained energy throughout the day. Running encourages a healthy lifestyle. People who run regularly often make better choices in diet, hydration, and sleep. Running does not require perfection. Some days are fast, some are slow. What matters is consistency, not speed. Running can be done anywhere. Outdoors, treadmill, park, or street. This flexibility removes excuses. 20 minutes of running every day builds resilience. The body adapts, the mind grows stronger, and challenges feel more manageable. Over weeks, endurance improves. Over months, fat reduces, posture improves, and energy increases. The transformation happens quietly through consistency. Running teaches patience. Progress is gradual but reliable. 20 minutes may feel small, but it adds up to hours of movement over time. No gym, no equipment, just movement. Run every day. Build stamina, build strength, build a stronger life.